Hi everybody, and welcome to another Asbury Woods virtual visit. My name is Melissa, and today we are going to be learning more about one of my favorite animals, snakes. There are 3 species of snakes that are commonly seen here at Asbury Woods. Let's learn more about these unique and beneficial creatures. Meet Zamea, our Asbury Woods garter snake. Garter snakes thrive in many different habitats, including open meadows, forests, and near wetlands. This is a snake species that can be several different colors, but typically have long stripes from their heads to their tails, often with a checkerboard pattern of scales. Garter snakes tend to be small, thin-bodied snakes with an average length of 1 to 3 feet. Garter snakes enjoy small prey like worms, grasshoppers, frogs, toads, and slugs. Meet George, our Asbury Woods black rat snake. Black rat snakes prefer forested areas as they are excellent climbers. They can use the strong muscles in their body to scale tree trunks in search of food or safety. Black rat snakes are the largest snakes that live around Asbury Woods, growing anywhere from 3 feet in length up to over 6 feet in length. They are gentle giants, though, preferring to stay away from people when possible. Rodents and small mammals are the favorite food for these snakes. Young black rat snakes, like the one seen here, are born with light and dark colored bands to help them camouflage when they are small, and they gradually lose the light colored bands and darken as they get older. As their name suggests, northern water snakes are usually seen near bodies of water. At Asbury Woods, they are frequently seen near Walnut Creek, basking on the warm shale rocks. Northern water snakes are gray to brown in color, with dark blotch patterns on their body. These snakes grow to be between 2 and 5 feet long, with thick bodies. Northern water snakes feed mostly on fish and amphibians like frogs and toads that they can hunt in or near the water. Due to their size and color patterns, these snakes are sometimes mistaken for venomous snake species, but they are not venomous. It's not uncommon to see them in bushes near the water. These snakes do not do well in captivity, so we enjoy them from the trails, not from the exhibit hall with our other snakes. Anyone who goes hiking in the forest and encounters a snake may think to themselves, is this snake dangerous? Usually, that answer is going to be no. Any of the snakes that you may encounter here at Asbury Woods are non-venomous. They could defend themselves, though, if they felt threatened. Most snakes are happy to just slither away from people that they encounter. There are 3 different kinds of venomous snakes that live in the state of Pennsylvania, though, but not here at Asbury Woods. Let's learn a little bit more about those snakes. Pennsylvania has 3 species of snakes that are venomous, and they are rarely seen in Erie County. The first is the copperhead. The timber rattlesnake prefers Pennsylvania's forested areas with more rugged landscapes. Finally, the small eastern Massasauga rattlesnake. This snake has such low populations in Pennsylvania that it is considered a federally threatened species. There are a few traits that many venomous snakes have to help us tell them from their non-venomous counterparts. We do not recommend getting close enough to wild snakes to investigate these traits for yourself, but there are some differences that can be observed between venomous and non-venomous snakes. For non-venomous snakes, they typically have a rounded pupil and no heat-sensing pits. They have a more rounded head, and the scales on the underside of their tail have a more crisscross pattern. Venomous snakes, on the other hand, tend to have vertical, cat-like pupils and could have heat-sensing pits on their faces. Their heads are more triangular, and the underside of their tail has scales that are more of a horizontal pattern. There are benefits to having all species of snakes living in our local ecosystems. Snakes play an important role in every ecosystem's food chain. They help to control pests like rodents and insects. Without snakes, the rodent and insect populations would become much larger and throw the food chain out of balance. This time of year, snakes are looking for dens or burrows to safely hibernate in. They'll re-emerge next spring. I hope you enjoyed getting to meet our 2 resident snakes that live here at Asbury Woods and learning more about their unique and beneficial qualities out in nature. See you next time!